Hi everyone, welcome to this course. I am Avdesh God. In this video, we'll be downloading and setting up Tableau Desktop for the first time use. Well, let's get started. Downloading Tableau Desktop comes quite handy. All you need to do is navigate to tableau.com in your browser. You'll be able to see a Try Now button on the top right, highlighted in bright orange. After clicking on that, enter your email address and your download will start right away. If you are using a Mac, then you can download the Mac version. Moreover, a heads up, Tableau has discontinued with 32-bit version quite long back. Anyhow, with this 64-bit version, you can start with either a 14 days trial period, or if in case you are a student or a teacher, you can avail a 1-year license for Tableau Desktop, and that too free of cost. All you need to do is click here on Learn More. You'll be required to enter in few details along with a valid ID proof after that. Within a few minutes, Tableau will send you a 1-year Tableau Desktop license key, which you can utilize to activate your Tableau Desktop once your 14-day trial period expires. Once your download completes and you install the same on your machine, you'll be required to register by filling in some details in order to activate your 14 days free trial. If in case you have received the 1-year student license key, then you can activate the same by going to Help in the top menu and navigating to Manage Product Keys. Herein, you will be required to enter your license key in order to activate the same. So now, as you have set up the Tableau Desktop, we'll be setting up the very first data source in the upcoming video.